There are 8 parts of speech, and verbs are one among them. They are the words which either says something about the subject, such as stars glitter. In this sentence, star is our subject and glitter is the verb. Another example, the volleyball team is playing aggressively. The subject is volleyball team and the main verb is playing. Here the verb is expressing what is being done by the subject. Many verbs denote actions, hence they are also called action words. And lastly, it helps us to form tenses of sentences, such as the words is, are, was, were, has, had, will, might, shall, should, could, etc. Here are the kinds of verbs: transitive verbs, intransitive verbs, and auxiliary verbs. Transitive verbs are those verbs which are always followed by the object. Example, Earth revolves around the sun. Here, Earth is the subject we are speaking about. Revolves is the verb. It is followed by the object, that is sun. Intransitive verbs. These are the verbs that are not followed by the object, as in this example, he repairs. The object is absent in this sentence. Most of the verbs are transitive as well as intransitive in nature, as in these examples, such as PV Sindhu won the match. Here the verb won is transitive as it is followed by the object, that is the match. But on contrary, she won isn't followed by any object. Here the verb is intransitive in nature. Many verbs are both transitive as well as intransitive. The same follows in other example sentences. The river flows until it reaches an ocean or sea or bay. Ganga flows. The birds flew to touch the sky. They flew. Auxiliary verbs. These are the verbs that help us to express about the timeline we are speaking about. Is it something that is happening now in the present, or has happened already in the past, or will happen in the future? Main auxiliary verbs are to be forms of verbs. They are am, is, are, was, were, been. We also have, has, had, shall, will, should, would, can, could, do, does, did, may, might, and must.